Welcome to Madhurima's kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today it's a summer day and it's very hot. So I'm going to prepare a dal with the sabji so that we don't have to cook separately the sabji and the dal. So for that the name of the recipe is Masoor Kalmi. Kalmi is a shaag. So I have this Masoor Dal. It's parboiled. And we Bengali often eat this saag, that is kalmi, and I just cut it in a large chunk. And then I have this Kalonji or Kalo jeera and red chili, dry red chili. Then I have this chopped tomato, one green chili. If you like more chili, you can add 2-3 more. And I have chopped coriander. So let's start the cooking. So first of all, I'll add some mustard oil. It's around 1 tablespoon. Let it heat for a second and then I will add this Kalonji and this red chili. This is a very easy recipe. Whenever I am going through a diet, so I often prepare this because I don't want to cook this rice, dal, sabji all separately. So very often I try this. Now when it's spluttering, I will add this Kalmi Shaag. It's almost 1.5 cup. So I will cook this till these are done. Let's check the saag is done or not. Okay, it's almost done. I fried it, so it's almost done. Now I will add rest of the ingredients. I will add this dal. As I said, it's parboiled Masoor Dal, and I did not add salt or anything here. Just a simple boiled. And now I will add tomato. This chopped tomatoes and 1 green chili. If you want, you can add more green chilies. And then I will add little bit of sugar. If you don't want, you can you don't have to add this, but being in Bengali, I love this, so I'm adding little bit of sugar. And then salt according to the taste. We'll give it a stir, and then I will cover it for 5 to 10 minutes till it's already done and the bubble will come up. So I will keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. And now let me check if it's done or not. Okay, so the tomatoes are soft. It's done. It will be like this, the gravy in a liquid form. So all the saag and tomato, everything is mushy. And now I will switch off the gas, and then I'll sprinkle some fresh coriander. So the dal is ready, Masoor Kalmi is ready. It's really good to have with roti or plain rice. So you can subscribe my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu in YouTube, or you can subscribe Madhurima's Kitchen in Instagram, and even you can go through Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page. So for more recipes like this, please check these videos.